Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to build out a drag and drop Canva clone PDF editor directly in browser. So actually editing your PDF files directly in browser. So this is actually the application that I developed entirely inside browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I have given the link. You can directly purchase this source code. This is a single index.html file, as you can see, about 2200 lines of code here. So it's a single file which directly runs in the browser. So it's a single static web application. So it's a similar to drag and drop Canva clone kind of a editor. So here you will select your, first of all, your PDF file, whatever PDF file you want to select. So after selecting the PDF file, the file will display here with live preview. All the pages will be there, so you will be able to individually uh, be able to edit the PDF. So we have quite a number of tools out there for annotating, highlighting the PDF here. So you select the pen operator. So simply you can select the PDF here. You can highlight anything right here using this. You also have the capability to change the color using the color picker. So change the color here and you can just see how easy it is. You can even change the stroke level as well, and then you can go to the next page, do the same highlighting, and you also have the capability to add text here. So simply click on the location where you want to add the text here and just add the text here. And also you have the capability to add images, so you simply select the image file, whatever image file that you want to add, and you can place it accordingly. And after making these modification, you can click the export PDF button to change, so save the changes here, and you will see the output PDF file will be saved here. So if you're interested in this Canva clone drag and drop PDF editor, you can purchase the source code. I have given the link in the description of the video. So it's very easy to modify the source code as well. So once you get the source code, you can add additional features on top of this, or add you can modify the interface as well. And it's also very easy for you to deploy this application. It's just a single file here, index.html. So it's a single static web application, so there is no backend. All the code is there in a single file. So you also have the capability to add a blank page as well. So simply click and this blank page will be added. And now if you want to delete this page, you can click the delete page button as well. So all these modifications you can do. And apart from that, we also have this. If you want to hide something in PDF, you can click this operator, which is white out, and simply select the portion that you want to hide, and that portion will be hidden. So you can just see how easy it is. It's really fast as well. So everything is hidden out there. You also have the capability to add a comment as well. So you can just see here, you can add a comment as well. And if you want to duplicate a page, you can click this button here to duplicate the page. So everything will be duplicated. So this is a Canva clone drag and drop PDF editor. So if you are interested in this, the link is given in the description.